Do you need a grab-and-go chemical? Something labeled for just about anything and can be applied just about anywhere, but you need a green product, something for a sensitive account or something more towards the all-natural side. Today's video, I'm going to give you that product that's going to take care of just about any insect that you are dealing with. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products, and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also, guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping, and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. CraigHowToPest.com. You can see I'm out here in the shipping department, and I decided, because I saw this, to do a video on a great product by Zoecon. Those of you that know Zoecon, you know Gentrol, you know Centria, you know Precor. Those are products that are tried and true, and you pros out there have used them forever. Well, Zoecon hit it out of the park with this one also. Guys, we are talking EcoPCO AR-X. Now, I can tell you what the eco stands for. It's kind of like eco-friendly. I can tell you what the PCO stands for.
Rock and roll.
Pest control operator. I cannot tell you what the AR/X stands for. Zoecon, reach out to us, let us know. It's not anywhere on the label. Nobody can figure it out. I even asked ChatGPT, they had no idea. But who cares? It doesn't matter. Maybe it stands for aerosol, maybe the X stands for, it can be put just about anywhere. I don't know, who cares? But guys, let's talk about this. This is a ready-to-go aerosol can. And the great thing about this EcoPCO AR is that it is on the all-natural side. It's not completely all-natural, but it can be used in those sensitive green accounts. This is made from pyrethrin and essential oils. It is a non-staining, non-odor aerosol can ready to go. Now, what does it take care of? It's going to take care of ants, spiders, scorpions, a plethora of different types of beetles, carpet beetles included. It is labeled for termites, for carpenter bees, carpenter ants. Now, just because the label has all the different insects that it takes care of does not necessarily mean that it is the insecticide in my choice that you're going to want to use. This does kill, like I said, some of the wood-boring insects, but it's probably not going to be my go-to. Now, why is that? Because it's not a non-repellent. And in most cases, you want a non-repellent when you're dealing with those termites and those carpenter ants and things like that. When you treat those galleys, you just want something that's not going to be detected. They're going to go over and take it back to the nest. Now, will this kill them? Yes. Is it labeled for them? Yes. Is it my product of choice for them? No. Does that make this a bad product? Heck no. This is an awesome product. And this is great when I need something to go to on just a spot, crack, and crevice treatment. And I don't want to break out the sprayer in my green accounts or even in your house per se. Now, I did mention spot, crack, and crevice treatment. That is primarily where you are going to use this unless you are doing a void treatment application or a space treatment where you're going to enclose it and knock down flying insects type thing. Now, how much of this do you put out? Well, let's just say it's a crack, crevice treatment or spot. You are going to put this out for about 1 second. So you can see here on the can has an application straw. All you're going to do is raise that application straw, which makes this so easy to use and allows you to get back into those tight spots. I'm having a hard time speaking this morning, guys. You're going to want to shake this can up really well before you spray, and then you're going to spray it in the area that you need to treat. So in that spot, crack, and crevice treatment, we're going to struggle through the whole video. It's going to be 1 second, just a 1 second burst. Now, if you get into voids, it's going to be about a 1 to 2 second treatment in about a 1 cubic foot area. So 2 to 3 seconds, I guess, in a 1 foot cubic area. Now, heavy infestations, you'll need a little more. A little more is okay. It's actually on the label itself. Now, it also says this can does not contain PBOs. You pros out there know, but you DIYers do not for the most part. It basically, PBOs are, I'm going to break it down in a nutshell simple. They are just a synergist. What is a synergist? It's something that is added to pesticides. In some cases that helps it perform better. It's kind of like a supercharge that they put in there, but it does not contain that. Now, how does this work on the insects? Well, it goes through and it's, what's the name that this is? Octopamine or whatever. I'm pronouncing that wrong, but it's a something that's in the insect's nervous system that basically causes the insect to the nervous system not to fire correctly. And then what happens is it just causes confusion, paralysis, death. This does not affect mammals. It's not going to affect us. We don't run off the same receptors. We don't have that octopamine. OCTOPAMINE, I think. Doesn't matter though, right? But that's how it affects their nervous system. It's something they have, we don't have. So not going to affect us, cats, dogs, bats, rodents, anything that's a mammal, right? Whales, in case you're going after and you're treating those whales. But let's get back to the EcoPCO AR-X. Where can you apply this? It's a green product, so you can apply it just about anywhere. You can put this in your sensitive accounts. You can put this in your hospitals. You can put it in daycares, restaurants, classrooms, just about anywhere. Now, on the outside, it's going to still be a spot, crack, and crevice treatment. But where would you put it? You would put it in weep holes. You would put it in pipes that lead into the house, any soffits, eaves, things like that. Now understand it's going to have a quick knockdown because of the pyrethrin in it, and it's going to have the essential oils to give you a residual. So you're getting both effects off of this. How long will you typically get out of this? Indoors undisturbed. It does not say it on the label, but I'm going to tell you, you're probably going to get close to 30 days, outside a little less. You want to use this and contact as many insects as you see. This is not your go around and just treat the whole outside of the house or the inside of the house. Remember, I said spot, crack, and crevice treatment. So this is, oh, I saw a spider or I saw a scorpion or whatever insect that may be. Well, you're just going to grab this from wherever you're storing it and go in and hit it real quick. You pros out there, you might have it in your back pocket. You're going around, you're doing a treatment, and they call you in for another unit. You got your backpack already back in the truck. You got this, you just whoop it out, walk over, and you just hit the area that you saw or they saw the insect that they were having an issue with. So it's just that quick boom, knockdown treatment that allows you just to be very versatile and just carry it in your pocket or grab and go as needed. Outside, again, you can come off structure according to the label to treat fence posts that may have an issue and voids in trees. So if you have something going on out there. Other than that, it doesn't specify anything else off of structure. So I would stay against the structure itself. As far as rains go, it's like any pesticide, guys. You need to be cognizant that if a rain is coming, you don't want to use any type of pesticide due to the runoff that can go into the storm drains itself. Now, winds, same thing. You don't want to spray this and it's back spraying up in your face. Even though it's a green product, it is still a insecticide. Am I right? So in your face, in your mug is not going to be a good idea. Now, inside voids, let's talk about that for a minute. A void would not be an electrical outlet. You can't put this in an electrical outlet, but a void would be behind like a baseboard, behind cabinets where you have those gaps and you know that you get, say, the ants coming out of there or whatever insect it may be. Well, this will go up in there and it's going to float a little bit and treat that area and then leave you a residual. Same thing with the baseboards. Now, you can drill into certain areas if need be, like a void into a wall, and then you can put this in there. A great product for that, and we have it over at howtopest.com, just like we have EcoPCO EcoPCO AR-X. That's a mouthful. We have that at How to Pest also. Are wall injectors. Now, wall injectors, oh man, I just happen to have one right here since I'm in the shipping department. This was unplanned, but I'm going to show you. Guys, this is the wall injector right here. What you would do is you would drill the hole in the wall, then you would tap this into the wall, and as you can see, it has a hole right there that would allow you to put the straw application of your choice into the hole and then spray and treat, and now you're back up into the wall void. When you are done, you simply just take this cap right here and you snap it into place. You have a lid. Now, these are not going to be out in the middle of your living room, your family room, or wherever it may be. These are for hidden spaces, behind cabinets, behind, behind things where you don't see this. But it's great because it allows you just to pop a cap and just put in your insecticide of choice, like I just showed you, for those frequent applications where every year you have something in that area and you can't figure out why, but you need to treat it. You don't want to re-drill every time you need to treat. So wall injectors from howtopest.com, they are a fantastic product. I think it comes 10 to a pack. Just go on the website in the search bar and you can figure that out by punching in wall injectors and it will pop up. Now, as far as the label on an aerosol can, labels are generally always on the can right here. So anything Craig does not tell you, it will be on the label right here. But what is an easy way to read the label? I always mention this in every video. Go over to howtopest.com and go into the search bar, punch in EcoPCO AR-X. It'll pop up before you punch in all those different little numbers, letters, whatever. And then you can scroll down once it pops up on the right-hand side and it'll say product label. Punch on that, it'll pop it up, and now you can just continue to magnify that as big as you need to read it. Just a really easier way to read, because as you can see, this is really tiny. Even on the front of the can, this is where it gives you all the insects, places it can be applied like we just talked about. So many that I have left off are on the can. Like I said, label is king. If Craig says something that doesn't agree with the label, then you ignore Craig and you read the label. Guys, that is it on EcoPCO AR/X from Zoicon, who makes fantastic products out there. Great for your green accounts. If you have any comments, shoot them in the comment section. I am happy to answer them for you. That's it. I'm making sure I'm not missing anything. Appreciate the thumbs up. Guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button and you will get our videos, my pretty mug, multiple times a week. And remember, we now go live 5 o'clock PDT, Pacific Daylight Time, and we talk insects. If you have any questions about insects, trying to figure something out, this is where we get on, we help each other, we try to walk through the problems, and we talk insects. That's it, guys. Craig, howtopest.com.